Welcome to this ceremony on the de-induction of the IL-38SD aircraft. It's a very nostalgic moment for us. It's an aircraft which has served us for over 46 years in various roles. Essentially a maritime patrol aircraft, does surveillance, anti-submarine warfare, and has adopted to op logistic roles as well. So this aircraft has laid the foundation for long-range, maritime patrol as well as ASW measures for the Indian Navy, and has been supporting the fleet in surveillance patrol as well as anti-submarine operations. It has clocked over 51,000 hours in this last 46 years. It's been a very capable platform, I would say. Good endurance, good LN, electronic intelligence, signal intelligence, sensor capability, weapon capability. So we use the aircraft in major operations, all exercises. Very satisfied with its performance. It's performed exceptionally well. But as you know, over a period of time, it becomes difficult to maintain the aircraft as it gets old. It is now nearing almost completing its service life. Therefore, old things have to give way and new equipment has to come in. So we now have the P8I aircraft which has come in and is being used. We have UAVs, using the Sea Guardian aircraft for surveillance. So that is the essence of it. We feel sad when any platform for that matter, which has been of great service to the nation, whenever you de-induct it, it's a sad occasion. But as you said, old things have to give way to the new. So therefore, the ceremony today, the IL-38-307 has done the last flight. The crew will now move on to different jobs. They will move to different aircraft, squadrons, retrain. So this aircraft, one of these aircraft is already earmarked for the National Maritime Museum at Konkani, and one more, another aircraft is also going to Karnataka. So we hope that when they serve, even after they finish their life in the museum, they will continue to inspire generations of naval air warriors. Not just UAV, there's a roadmap for unmanned systems. So that has been promulgated in 2021 by the Navy, the approval of the defense. So we anticipate, and work is already in progress towards induction of unmanned aircraft. We already have been operating unmanned aircraft for some time, the searchers and the drones. But the next, as well as the Sea Guardians on lease for almost 3 years now. So now the government has approved us to take up the case for procurement of the 31 whales, predators basically for all the 3 services, 16 for the Army and the Air Force and Navy. So that process is already on. At the same time, we are looking at unmanned underwater vessels with different capabilities, different endurance, ability to do different tasks, both surveillance as well as patrol. So the roadmap is in place. Essentially, the roadmap is to facilitate industry to understand what are the challenges that we are giving out to them, work on it, and try and produce satisfactory solutions. So there are plans for maritime patrol aircraft. So right now P8I and Dorniers are being used as manned aircraft. there is a plan for we are taking up for the C295 as well. The maritime in the medium range maritime aircraft. So there's an option of either inducting those aircraft, but that might take time, or inducting P8I some of the aircraft. So we are just examining it to see the best possible way ahead.
I think this year